Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making some egg cups for meal prep for 3 days. So yeah, these are my ingredients here. I have some turkey pepperoni, I have peppers, cheese, garlic powder, pepper, and we're just gonna pack it all into our little egg muffins. In this bowl right here, I have 6 eggs. To this, I'm just going to season it up with my black pepper. I like black pepper, so I added maybe a quarter teaspoon or so, maybe less. Some granulated garlic. You can season this however you want to, guys. Don't forget. I also added the cheese here because I didn't really want to put the cheese on top. I want it all to be mixed in. I'm using a whisk and I'm beating it to death because I want it to be pourable and easy to pour when it's time to, put it into the little muffins. So this is what it should look like. I mixed it probably for like 2 minutes, and that's a long time. I just kept mixing. All right, so I'm gonna saute the vegetables, and just to soften them up, you could put them in there raw, but I wanted to soften them up a bit. I'm gonna start with the carrots, put them down in there, and get them all nice and sauteed for like 2 minutes before I even start adding the peppers, which I'm adding now. And you want to saute both of them for another 2 minutes by themselves before you add the pepperoni. Now the pepperoni, I just wanted it to heat through a bit, get a little crisp on the edges, but like I said, you guys, you don't have to cook it. You could just, put them all in there and just bake it off like that, and you'll be good to go. Right here, I'm just going to grease my pan. You could grease it with whatever you want to. I didn't have any more spray, so I'm using a little butter, and I'm just brushing, the muffin pan with it just to grease it up a bit so they can easily come out. Next, I'm going to start putting the filling on the bottom just a little bit. I have a teaspoon in my hand. I'm putting half of that teaspoon down in there. Mine's are tiny, tiny muffins. So, you might want to put more if you're using a bigger muffin pan. Alright, you guys, so these are what they look like. They're so cute and perfect. Now all my husband has to do is take a couple of these and a banana, and he's good to go. I don't have to get up and be cooking all crazy every day, period. There you go, period. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. I hope you guys make this for your meal preps, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.